Hello everyone, Jorge Huertas once again with all of you. Today I'm gonna show you what is value curves. This video is also available in Spanish. Okay, this is a tool of analysis. It got the following characteristics. It allows to create a curve that defines the main variables of the strategy of the value of the competition. The main components to be evaluated will be identified, creating a curve that represents each of the parameters, evaluating its complexity, possibility of improve, and possibility of appealing in our project. It also serves to design new proposals based on the strategies of our competitors. This tool is used in the empathy stage in a project that is being developed with the design thinking methodology or any other agile methodology. Okay, so when we talk about value curves, there are a couple of things that are very important and we need to know before we do any development. The first thing is, what do I want to know? It's very important because this is like a benchmarking, but we need to have very specific information and we need to have a clear purpose of this development. If we don't know what we want to know, eh, I do not advise to use this tool. Who are my competitors? This tool serve you very well if you know your competition and you got the information from them. So like that you can compare what you do and how can you improve. So for that you need to recollect information. That information needs to be tabulated and analyzed. How? The first thing is that I strongly recommend that we develop this as a group and we also debate the different statistics and the different information that we got. If we do it by ourselves, it's very difficult to figure it out and make a good development. That is not very possible. So it's very important that you have the information. After you have that, you can make an analog with a pencil and paper, or you can do it digital in any program as a Illustrator or anything like that. The matrix is divided in two parts. The first part is high and low. It means it's something have a big value or something have a low value. The main components that you can analyze are quality, if you are checking a product, experience, if they got more experience than you or less, the usability of their product or your service or whatever. The graphic line is very important because these are the visual components that you are using to attract your customers. The clarity of content is very important because people want to understand what's going on, so you can analyze it which one is better. And growth of the project, you can do, if you haven't launched your product or your service yet, you can compare it with different competitors. If you have it already, you can do it as a benchmarking. It means that you are going to analyze every component and you have to be very objective, because here, as you can see, we got competitor number one on yellow and competitor number two on green. It's very important that you analyze this and to see, okay, this analysis has to be objective. So like that you can say, okay, I have to improve here, they are better here for this and that and this and that. If you do it honestly, it will help you a lot, because when you are finished with this, you can take actions. Okay, I need to improve this because my competition is better than me in this and this and that. How am I going to do that? So, like that, you take actions and you make an improvement plan that you will use it in the future. As you can see, this tool works very well when you want to compare something specific with a competition. If you don't have information, I do not advise to use this tool, because otherwise is you will be guessing, and we don't do that. We have to have clear information to take decisions. As a conclusion, we can say that at the end of develop the value curve, we should be take decisions about the project. So we say, okay, we need to improve here because we know this, that, and that. Success in using this tool is in the information gathering and in the objective of the analysis of each variable. That is extremely important. That is the most important thing. Besides that, you have the information, you have to make an honest analysis, because it doesn't work if we do a development and the analysis is not objective, because it will not be helping your development. This resource generates a frame of reference to know where to start a project or where to improve it. It's not a tool to copy. That is very important, because if you don't have a business yet, if you don't have a product yet, this tool allowed you to understand the components that we have. However, if we already have something and we need to improve it because we know that our competition is going better, also allowed you to have a frame of reference to analyze those components. Thank you so much. I hope this video will be a big help in your development. Please subscribe to our channel, Design Thinking 24/7. Follow us on social media. Remember that we got a couple of Udemy courses if you want to learn with us. So take our courses. Thank you to all of you. We are the #1 design thinking channel and agile channel in the whole YouTube universe. Remember that every Monday we have a new video in Spanish and every Thursday we have a new video in English. Thank you so much, and we'll see you next time.